My name's Natalie Minor, and the article I read is called Neurofeedback Gains Popularity and Lab Attention by Katherine Ellison. The purpose of this article is to explain the process of neurofeedback techniques and the opposing research that has been conducted. The article encourages the importance of understanding its effectiveness in treating neurological disorders such as depression and anxiety, ADHD, and autism. The author intends to convey that although some aspects are still under debate, it is important to consider as an alternative to medication which may produce undesirable side effects. I learned how neurofeedback systems are used to detect brain activity and how clinicians can evoke changes by using game-like computer software. I understood operant conditioning prior to reading this article, however, I had never really thought of it in terms of computer software. I had always associated operant learning with real or tangible reinforcements rather than just perceivable ones. I also found being able to self-regulate your brainwaves as interesting. Having the ability to see and then train your brain to respond in different ways to certain stimuli seems really advanced but also difficult to maintain over time. If I were to further my research on this topic, I would first need to become more familiar with neurofeedback systems and how to use them effectively. I might find answers to these questions through institutions such as the International Society for Neurofeedback and Research or reviewing research reports conducted by universities. I might expect to find that neurofeedback may only be effective for specific neurological disorders and may not be permanent for every patient. In relation to this course, the article describes the effectiveness of operant conditioning through the use of neurofeedback. Operant conditioning means to roughly change behavior by the use of reinforcement after a desired response. Neurofeedback projects brain wave activity and then teaches the patient to regulate these brain waves through video game-like software. If the patient produces the desired response, they are encouraged by soothing noises or visual treats, which can be seen as the reinforcement. If not, they are shown darkness or undesirable stimuli, which then shows them that they need to regulate their brainwaves in a different way. This system teaches the patient self-regulation, which they can then translate to everyday scenarios.